with the KX News Storm Team.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful night across western North Dakota. It's still 75 in Bismarck, but look at this. Just a nice night. No storms in North Dakota. Now, there could be some overnight, but right now it is nice outside. It's also a little bit breezier than it has been since earlier today. Right now, we're looking at mostly 70s with a few 60s across western North Dakota. Down in Ashley, it is 70, Crosby 68. And it looks like still very, very pleasant. We have this easterly wind going in. Normally, when you have an easterly wind, there's some kind of storm system in the area, and yes, there is. I'll show you that in a bit. Dew points continue to climb. Yesterday, they were in the 40s. Earlier tonight, they were in the low 50s. Now they're in the mid 50s. So now we're starting to get to kind of a more normal air mass in the summertime in North Dakota. Tomorrow, they're going to be even higher as the dew points will increase while you're sleeping. And so it is going to be a hot and somewhat muggy day tomorrow, and then the humidity will drop probably Thursday and Friday. So I want to show you the radar, and it really doesn't look like anything's going on here right now, and I don't know if you can see it on your screen. I can barely see it on mine. See that little bitty yellow box right there? That's all part of severe thunderstorm watch in Montana, and three, not one, not two, but three severe thunderstorm warnings. Now, they are long way away. They are way outside our broadcast area, but they are heading our way, and they're likely going to be moving into North Dakota tonight. So I would think, especially in the north, we're going to have some thunderstorms during the nighttime hours. Well after midnight, for most of us, maybe a little bit earlier around Sidney and Williston. And let me show you what I mean, because here's our precision cast, and I've jumped ahead till midnight, and I'm not expecting severe weather tonight in North Dakota, but you can see the computer model here is kind of picking up on what's going on. And so I'm going to stop this a few times during the middle of the night, just to give you an idea. So you can see that by 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, those storms should be into western North Dakota. Right now, it looks like it's going to be around Highway 2, maybe a little north, a little south. That's 2 o'clock. 4 o'clock moves it to the north central if it stays together, and it certainly could. And now we have the southerly flow, which is going to be bringing in higher dew points, making the atmosphere more unstable in the afternoon. But we have those thunderstorms possible, rain showers maybe, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then as we go to around 7, a lot of that pushes through, and it went through, some of it went through the Bismarck-Mandan area and points over to the east like Harvey and Steele and places like that, and Towner and Rugby. So it does look like there are likely going to be some showers and maybe some thunderstorms tonight. Again, this stuff I don't think is going to be severe. And then during the day tomorrow, most of it clears out, but I don't know if you just caught that little bit of this little cell right here. It looked like it tried to fire off a thunderstorm. That's pretty singular. However, that's an indication that we could have thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. The atmosphere is going to be unstable. It'll be hot. It'll be humid. There's going to be a lot of wind shear. What we don't have is something to break the cap necessarily. If that cap finds if there's a little weak spot in that cap, thunderstorms could fire tomorrow, and they could be severe. So that's kind of where we're at. So looking at the pavement tomorrow, because if you've got a pup going for a walk, remember it's going to be hot tomorrow. I'm not saying it'll be 95 everywhere, but look how hot it can get and how long it takes for paws to burn at those kind of temperatures. So just be extra careful with the pup tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight, 50s and 60s, and then for tomorrow, 80s and 90s, hot, kind of humid. Here's a Bismarck 7-day outlook and several chances of rain over the next several days, and possibly even again tonight into tomorrow morning. And looking ahead to the 4th of July, Nicholas, I'm pretty sure somebody's going to be dodging some rain or thunderstorms. I hope it's not a washout weekend. I don't see that yet, though.
All right, we'll take it one day at a time. Tom, thanks very much. Coming up.